Some time ago, a friend who owns a bonsai shop asked me to make a pot for one of his trees. He wanted something a bit special with some decoration or a unique touch. One key detail for him was to incorporate his shop's logo, an M, which is both the initial of his shop and his name. I thought this would be a great opportunity to show you a little trick for transferring a design onto clay. Here is a hem that needs to be reproduced. I simply printed it in black and cut it out. I placed the design on my clay slab and applied gentle pressure with a roller. Due to the moisture, the ink from the print will transfer onto the clay, giving me a guide to cut out. Don't forget to print your design in reverse, or flip the cutout piece to ensure it's oriented correctly. For the rest of the decoration, I added some flying leaves on one side to evoke the bonsai, and a series of small carp on the other, as that is our passion. The challenge with this kind of work is making the design visible without it overshadowing the tree. You need to find the right balance, which isn't always easy. The previous pot was less deep, but we chose a taller pot this time for better water management and the health of the tree. The color was selected to provide maximum contrast with the foliage to make it stand out.